Hey guys, so basically, I'm taking African American Studies online at my school, and so for one of our assignments, we have to create a song. And so, what right now we're learning is about slavery and how slavery is transformed into songs to create messages. So, basically, that's what the song I created is about. The song is called Railroad, and I apologize in advance for the cheesiness of it. I just came up with it, like every single line rhymes in some kind of way. So I do apologize for that, but you know what? I'm just gonna get on the road and get started. So like I said, the song is called Railroad. Okay. The sun's lick on my burning skin, walking on down that railroad. Sun goes down and there's the end, walking on down that railroad. Anything's better than that cotton gin, walking on down that railroad. Oh, here we are trying to escape our sins. Oh, God Almighty, bring us to all the glory. Listen to our stop sorry as we travel down the railroad. Hope is all that I got left, walking on down that railroad. As my family goes with the quest, walking on down that railroad. I don't get why they're so obsessed, walking on down that railroad. But please let us pass that crow's nest. God Almighty, bring us to all the glory. Listen to my soft story as we travel down the railroad. But at last, the day has passed, because we bypass the fence mask. God Almighty, bring us to all the glory. Listen to my stop story as we travel down the railroad. Thanks guys for listening again. Sorry for the cheesiness, but I hope you liked it. Bye.